Hey Bearcats, in between Burnett Woods and the university's medical campus, we're here at University Edge. It's also just a couple minutes short walk from main campus. Let's check out the inside.
Hi, welcome to University Edge. My name's Cameron. I'm a fourth year biology student here at UC. Come on in. This is the dining room of the apartment, which leads into the kitchen. So in the dining room, there is a table that's already provided and 4 chairs. The whiteboard that we have in our dining room is not provided. I had to bring that myself. Moving on to the kitchen, there is like basic appliances that are provided. There's a stove, microwave, fridge is included. With the sink area, there is a dishwasher which is included, which is also nice. And there's 4 chairs for that area as well. There is no trash can that is provided, so that is something that I had to bring in our recycle bin. Aside from that, there's a washer and dryer that is included in this apartment. That is something that's nice. This is our living room of the apartment. The sofa and the chair and the coffee table, those were all provided by the university, as well as this TV stand. The thing about this area is there is no lights above, so sometimes I'll have to bring out a lamp if you want proper lighting, but there is some windows right there. This is a 4-person apartment here at UH, so there's 3 rooms on this side of the apartment. And then my room is this one. The rooms are pretty big. They come with a mattress and a dresser and a desk. That is something that is nice. And it does come with a chair, but it's not an office chair. So that's what I brought in. Another thing I should mention, there is no light that's in the ceiling of this room, so I brought in a standing lamp, but there is a window. And then on top of that, each room has their own bathroom, and then each room also does get a closet, which does allow for extra space and all that kind of stuff. University Edge is a good place to live, especially for me because I am a biological sciences major. MedSci building is about a 15-minute walk away. So in terms of location, if you have classes over there, this is a nice place to live. And it's also not that far from actual main campus. It's probably 15 to 20-minute walk. Another thing I really like about University Edge is it's right by the Cincinnati Zoo. So being a biological sciences major, I like looking at animals sometimes, and so every once in a while I can walk down to the zoo. So some of the amenities here, there is a workout area here. It has treadmills, dumbbells, some other machines there. I've used that a couple times. There is also a social room. And the social room has a TV and a big couch. It has a pool table. And then my personal favorite is the coffee machine. So there's free coffee here as well, which is nice. There is also a cinema here. It's not super big, but there is a projector room with some nice seats in there. And then there is also study area also here. If you ever need to study for your exams or anything, there is a room that is dedicated for that. On top of that, there is a printing station here as well. The main office here at University Edge, they sometimes bring food trucks down. I know this semester they've brought down boba tea food truck, and then they also had a taco food truck. So those are things that you're interested in. This is definitely a good perk of this place. All right, so this concludes the tour of the apartment. Thank you guys for stopping by. Go Bearcats!